Ode to the Bee by Pablo Neruda. Plentiness of the bee, coming and going from orange, blue, and yellow, from the softest softness of the world, she hastily enters on business, the flower crown, and exits with golden coat and yellow boots. Perfect. With a waist of lines of dark bands with tiny, always busy head and watery wings, she enters scented windows, opens silken doors, enters the sanctum of the most fragrant love, stumbles over small droplets of diamond dew, and from all visited houses, she takes mysterious honey, rich and heavy, of dense fragrance and liquid light that falls down in drops until she reaches the bee palace and deposes the product of the flower, of the flight, and of the seraphic secret sun. Plentiness of the bee, sacred elevation of the unity, palpitating school, sonorous buzzing multitudes that tune the nectar, passing swiftly drops of ambrosia, it is the siesta of the summer of green and of the solitudes of Osorno. Above, the sun stitches his lances in the snow, lighting the volcanoes wide as the oceans is the earth. Blue is the space, but there is something trembling. It is the burning heart of the summer, the heart of multiplied honey, the noisy bee in the living comb of golden flights. Bees, pure selfless workers, thin, flashing proletarians, perfect fearsome militia that in war attack with suicidal stings buzz over the earth's realms, family of gold. Windy multitudes shake the fire of the flowers, the thirst of the stamens, the sharp thread of fragrances that unite the days and make the honey, surpassing the wet continents and the farthest islands of the sky of the west. Yes, let the wax raise green statues. Let the honey overflow in infinite tongues. Let the ocean be a calm and the earth be a tower and tunic off-lowers. Let the world be a cascade, magnificent head of hair, unceasing growth of beedom.